Hi children, my name is Miss Shruti and
Hi friends, I am Samvit.
and how do we start the session today, Samvit?
Let's sing a rhyme.
Superb! Let's sing a rhyme. Which rhyme shall we sing?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's sing that rhyme. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Oh, which finger did it bite?
Little finger on my right.
Oh, it bit the little finger on your right. So children, did you like listening to this song? Shall we all sing it again? You also sing it with us, alright? Let's do it again, together all of us. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. Yay! Did you like the song? Yeah. And you know what, children? Today we both are going to do a very interesting number activity. But Samvit, before doing that number activity, shall we do a little bit of exercise? Let's warm up.
Stretching.
Okay, let's do stretching. But while we do stretching, let's count numbers. Yeah? Isn't that fun? Okay, let's do it. Now, bring your legs close. Lovely. Are you also doing it with us? We will do it slowly for you to follow us. Alright? Okay. Now stretch your legs. 1. Then stretch your hands up. 2. 3. 4. Bend. 5. 6. Hands up again. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Shall we do it again? Just one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Lovely!
Again.
Let's do it one more time. Okay, one last time. Okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, let's start the activity. Now, I'm sure your parents would be around. So, you will have to take help of your parents in doing this activity. You will need their help to put the tapes on and do the counting with these rings or beads or whatever you have at home. Alright. Oh yeah, you can also use pasta. So, you can ask your mama and papa to help you out doing this fun number line. Alright, now let's get started with the number fun activity. Well, do you see a few numbers written here? Samvit, will you please help us read these numbers?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, thank you so much. So, we've written numbers from 0 to 10 on this number line. And do you know what activity are we going to do today? What's the fun? We are actually going to make a number line that will help us count easily using these things. Shall we get started, Samvid? Lovely. So will you please tell our friends what all things do we need for this fun activity?
We need sketch pen.
Hmm.
We need stickers
Why do we need these stickers?
to decorate.
Ah, lovely. We are going to decorate the number line also.
And we need pipe cleaner.
Yes.
We need paper.
Hmm.
And we need rings and we need pencil and we need cellophane.
Sellotape. Yeah. So, because we had these paper quilling strips, we made these rings out of it. You could also use pasta, or you could use beads, or anything that you can push inside this pipe cleaner. Okay. Now, let's start. So, Samvid, on this paper, we will first stick the pipe cleaner. And we will seal only the top part. Okay? Shall I help you with it? Yeah. Now put the sellotape here. Very nice. So, like this, on a sheet of paper, we have put a sellotape on the pipe cleaner. Now we can put the rings inside and then seal it from this side too. Now, Samvid, we have these rings in this bowl. Could you please count and keep 10 rings out here? One by one. Yeah.
2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Okay. Shall we count it once again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Superb. Now, Samvid, you know what you have to do.
I
Let's...
have to put the rings.
Correct. Why don't you put all these rings into this pipe cleaner and push them to the top. One by one.
1,
Lovely. So here we have how many rings, Samvid?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Superb. So here we have 10 rings. Now these rings should not fall off. So we need to secure the other end also. Will you please put this sellotape on, Samvid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put it here. Like this. Put it. Press it. Super. Lovely. Now, would you like to use either of these stickers to decorate your number line? Look at that. That's how the number line looks like. Yeah.
I put 10 stickers.
Okay.
Where I should put?
You can decorate this part by sticking the stickers. Lovely.
See, I decorated the number line.
Wow, Samvid, it looks really very nice and colorful. Now, let's start the fun. Okay. Now, could you count 5 rings and bring them down here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Superb. You could count 5 rings and bring them here. Now, can you add one more to this?
1,
Yeah. Now, how many will these be? Will you count these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Superb. Now, take them all up again.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Yeah.
3,
Hmm.
4, 5, 6.
Superb. Now, I will ask you another number. Okay. Let me think. Which number shall we tell? Okay. Can you count 8 rings and bring them down here?
1,
Hmm. 2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5, 6,
Hmm.
7, 8.
Hmm. Count how many rings did you bring them down?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You got just 7. We need?
One more.
Yeah. Lovely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Superb. So now we have 8 rings on this side. Now Samvit, can you add one more ring to these? Okay, now how many rings would be these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So first we had 8 rings. We added one more ring to it and now we have 9 rings here.
But I got only 1 ring.
Yeah, and only one ring is left. Lovely, Samvit. Now, can you bring 4 rings down?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Now, can we add one more ring to it? Just one more ring. Yeah. So, how many are these rings now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, when you add one more ring to 4 rings, it makes
5 rings.
5 rings. Lovely. So, can you see, friends? We are doing a little bit of addition. Did you all like it? Samvit, did you enjoy doing this? Was it fun? Yeah, lovely. So, using this, we could count from 1 to 10 and we also learned how much it is when we add one more ring to a few numbers. Wasn't it so much fun? So, you also enjoy doing this activity at home. Bye!